how much should you actually spend on a kiddie pool? Because you'll find super cheap options, but are they actually worth it? Let's break down the best options so you can choose what's right for your backyard this summer. Product number 1, UARST 3-in-1 Splash Pad. First up is the UARST Kiddie Pool, a 3-in-1 splash pad that really caught my eye. Priced at $31.99, it combines a splash pad, a sprinkler, and a kiddie pool into one awesome backyard toy. If you want to keep the kids entertained all summer, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The UARST Splash Pad features a fun airplane design that kids love, and it has 2 spray systems that create exciting water action. Imagine your kids giggling as they run through the sprinklers, staying cool while improving their motor skills and coordination. Plus, it's made from thick, lead-free material that's durable and safe. With a size of 68 inches, it comfortably fits 2-3 kids at once, making it a great option for playdates. It's rated 4.5 stars from 528 reviews and is flying off the shelves with over 300 sold in the past month. Now, some people complained about the setup time, saying it takes longer than expected. Here's the thing though, it only takes about 5 minutes, so it's pretty quick. If you're someone who wants instant fun, this might feel a bit slow, but honestly, it's still worth it for the joy it brings. This is perfect for you if you have multiple kids or are looking for something that combines play and learning. Skip this one if you want a traditional deep pool, but for the price, it gives you a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if the quick setup bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach with its easy portability. Product number 2, Sloosh 3-Pack Kiddie Pools. Next up is the Sloosh 3-Pack of Inflatable Kiddie Pools. Priced at $29.98, this set includes 3 different fun designs: watermelon, pineapple, and cupcake. If variety is what you need to keep things fresh for your kids, this is a fantastic choice. Why does this matter? Well, each pool measures 45 inches wide and 10 inches deep, perfect for toddlers to splash around safely. Made from durable, BPA-free vinyl, they're not only kid-friendly but also comfortable on little feet. The built-in drain makes cleanup a breeze, just let the water out and fold them up. With a 4.5-star rating from over 519 reviews, these pools are popular, with over 400 bought in just the past month. Some users have mentioned that the pools are a bit small for older kids. But here's my take: they're perfect for toddlers and younger kids, which is their target audience. If you have older kids, they might outgrow them quickly, but for little ones, they're a great option. This is perfect for you if you have young kids and want a variety of themes for playtime. Skip this one if you're looking for a more spacious pool, but for under $30, it's a cute and fun set. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for active play. Product number 3, Intex Jungle Adventure Pool. Now we have the Intex Jungle Adventure Play Center, which is priced at $67.26. This one is a larger inflatable pool that includes a water slide and plenty of interactive features. If you want to create a mini water park in your backyard, this is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for kids ages 2 and up who are learning to swim. The slide, inflatable arch, and included games like ring toss make it an engaging play center that promotes active play. With 33,600 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's a favorite, with over 7,000 sold last month. Some parents expressed concerns about the water slide being a bit too steep for younger kids. But here's the thing, it's designed for supervised play, so as long as you're around, it can be a safe and fun experience. Just be aware that it's better for slightly older toddlers. This is perfect for families looking for a more interactive backyard experience. Skip this if you have very young toddlers who might not be ready for slides yet, but for the price, it offers a lot of fun. Now, if a large play center isn't what you're looking for, the next product offers a more cozy alternative. Product number 4, Jasonwell Kiddie Pool with Canopy. Next, we have the Jasonwell Kiddie Pool with Canopy, priced at $39.98. This is a foldable pool that includes a removable sunshade, making it perfect for those hot summer days. If sun protection is top of your list, this one checks that box. The canopy provides great shade, blocking harmful UV rays while allowing your kids to enjoy the water without the harsh sun beating down. With a size of 48 inches, it's the right fit for toddlers and small kids. The pool is made from durable, non-toxic material, ensuring safety while they play. Plus, it's easy to drain and fold up for storage, making it super convenient. The pool has a solid 4.7-star rating from 72 reviews, showing it's a good choice for many families. Now, some users found the setup a bit confusing since it doesn't require inflation. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's quite easy to use. It may not suit everyone who prefers a traditional inflatable setup, but its unique design makes it worth trying. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a pool that provides shade and easy setup. Skip this one if you want something larger or deeper, but for the convenience it offers, it's a solid option. If you're still looking for something with a bit more space, the final product on this list could be just what you need. Product number 5, QPAU Inflatable Kiddie Pool. Finally, we have the QPAU Kiddie Pool priced at $33.99. This pool measures 65 inches by 39 inches and features educational prints. If you want a pool that doubles as a learning tool, this one is definitely intriguing. The size is great for toddlers, providing ample space for them to splash around. The soft cushioned floor ensures that little ones have a comfortable playing surface. Plus, it includes fun educational designs, making every splash an opportunity for learning. It has a 4.4-star rating from 224 reviews, showing it's a solid choice for many. Some parents mention that the educational prints fade after a while, but here's my perspective. The main function is still a safe, fun pool for your kids. If fading designs are a deal breaker for you, it might not be the best fit, but the overall quality and fun it provides are worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a pool that encourages learning through play. Skip this if you're after a more traditional pool experience, but for the value, it's a great option. So there you have it, from the UR splash pad that combines fun and learning to the spacious Intex jungle adventure. Each kiddie pool on this list has its strengths. Whether you need a cozy solution with shade like the Jason Well or a fun learning experience with the QPAU, you have options. Pick the one that suits your backyard needs and make this summer unforgettable.